This is a set of paper towels. This set contains 12 pieces of rolls. Grand pack. It's white color and cylinder shape. All set covered by nylon. Used elephant for advertising. Made in Turkey. It includes sometimes large one and small one. Used for cleaning and drying all things, especially used in the kitchen.
This is cleaning dishwash. It look like tablet. This is set contain 18 pieces of the tablet. Include the cleaning material inside the plastic material. Also, we have in different types. For example, powder solution and different wash power, rinse aid, special salt. All it put into the wash machine to wash dish.
This is a gloves made by nylon. We have some types like powder and without powder. It is disposable. One time used it, and we have two types, thin and thin. We have a different types: extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. Used for some different things like used in the kitchen and toilet. Always used in a medicine in hospital to protect yourself.
This is a harpic. It is a dark blue color. It is liquid. It is very good. It has big effect for cleaning. It is used for cleaning toilet.
It is a trash bag. It is a black color. It has many types: big, small, and medium. It is a strong, high quality, made by nylon. It used for collect rubbish.
This is a garderobe perfume. It is a black color. It is a shapey. It looks like in the shape of jacket. Used inside the garderobe for it spread a nice perfume to the clothes, and it has a big benefit. This is a towel. It is a red color. It is a rectangle the shape. We have some color: red, pink, blue, and white. It is used for cleaning and drying your hand. A glass cleaner. We have some different color: pink, dark blue, yellow, orange, and green. Used for cleaning, especially for cleaning the window and glass. It is a silver shaker product. It contains